Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make a button like this for your websites. First of all, we have imported the basic boilerplate of HTML with the style CSS file. Then we have included the div class as portrays me button in the body part of the HTML. Then given a button which will going to come right here, and then we have taken the SGB party part as we have taken the SGB version as 1.1, taken its original path, and then its X link as this, and its X and Y coordinates, and a view box as its coordinates at 0, 0, 234.6, 61.3, preserve expect ratio is equal to none, and its place will be reserved. Right, you can see like it's have the some amount of space in between and showing the lightning animations. So we have added the filter ID which will going to is the different stuff like, and then the FE Gaussian blur for giving it a blur effect little, it will going to blur it, and then give a standard deviation and it's close, and then the FE turbulence type fractional voice base frequency as this, number of octave waves 0.3, and resulted turbulence. This will going to work as the like the lightning right here is working in the continuous manner, like it's a limer flow of it. So limer flow created, and its source graphics is in the turbulence, and its scale size and accelerator selector as R, and then the Y as G, and this result is equal to displays, and then it's one node part 5 times different way, and then it's its path we have defined. This part you doesn't have to worry. If you doesn't know to how to write it, you can just simply copy it as SGB part of it. Okay, then we have given the dots part which will going to create the dots as right here 1 2 3 4 5 at a different time period delays. So let's go to our style parts. We have defined the key body as the background as black, display as flux, justify content center, and align all the contents as center, which will you can see tags right here, and height as virtual VH 100, and then we have given the voltage button this one as relative, and its internal I button has the white color, background as blackish, padding as 1.6 rem, 5 rem, 1.8 rem, 5 rem, border radius 5 rem, border as 5 pixel solid, and darkest blue, lightest blue, sorry, and font size as 1.8, line height is this, letter spacing as 0.5, 0.75, translation as background 0.3, and its hover effects. Now it start come, its cursor will be pointed at the key. When it will be hover, background will be little darkest of it, and these classes will be executed at the time of it, and its opacity will be 1. Like for the SGB part, you can see we have given the key display as block, position as absolute, top as 0.75 in minus, left in the minus as 0.25 m, width as scale 100% plus 0.5 m, and height as scale 100% plus 1.5 m, and then the pointer event will be none, and opacity will be none for the dots and different stuff. Its opacity will be none because to get once hover, its effect will be start to coming, like you can see. Okay, so in the transaction, opacity will be 0.4 seconds, its delay will be 0.1 seconds, and the class that we have taken in the key index of its HTML part, and the key its line color will be, first one will be yellowish lightning, and then the key its stroke dash of will be 0. Like here you can change also it, like you can take the reddish or anything color. Like right here I have taken the key blue and yellow for the its effect, but you can take as you want it. So similarly we have taken the keys same type of animation, and then the key its stroke dash offset will be 500, which will be a little after 1f, and its dot will be opacity will be 0, its animation will be 0.3, and transition delay will be 0.4 seconds, and its dot size will be 1 rem, background will be white, border radius 100%, and position absolute, and opacity will be 0 for the key 3D effect shading, and its position as top 0, left 20%, and animation fly up 3 second linear infinite, and similarly with the other part animation will come similarly, but with some amount of a delay like 0.5 seconds to see it, and its position will be little left more like 55%, and in the key dot 3 it will be 80%, and similar then a key animation delay will be 1 seconds, and its dot will be, and it's the bottom part dot to bottom dots which will going to become at the little 30%, then the key its second will be like this, and again 2.5 seconds, and bottom 0, left 65%, and similarly same animations as you in the all of the okay. So let's see what it has in its animations. Okay, so in the first animation it will going to stroke will be minus 1000 spark, which will be yellowish spark of it, and the for the bluish we have defined its negative 500. We have taken its value as of minus 1000 for its greater animations for the animation part of fly up. For the 0 first second it will be nothing, and okay, translate as y and scale 0.2, and okay, for the 5% to 9% it will opacity have 1%, and okay, transform translate okay 1.5 rem minus, and scale will be 0.4 of, as these bubbles are very small to look, and then its opacity after that will be 0, and transform slit at -3 scale 0.2, and this opacity as z. For the fly down opacity similarly will be 0, and this, and the key, then the for the key 5 to 9% it will be 1 opacity, and transform in translate y as 1.5 in the relative direction, and scale as 1.04, and the last part it will be opacity will be 0, and translate y as 3 rem and scale 0.2. Okay, so guys, we can say right now, okay, I have created the okay, so many buttons, like before we have created the bubbly button, flux button, rainbow and 3D type of button, and right here we have taken new button which name as a lighting animation button. You can check out this repository in my from my description box, which will going to help you to get the okay, basic stuff, or if you want to import it, then use this. So if you guys like this video, makes you to like and subscribe to my channel for the future contents. See, yeah,